This video mainly introduces how to make a GIF animation quickly. Let's take Toolkit software as an example. Double-click to open. Find the video to GIF under the Image Tools module. Import video files that we need to modify. The first method. We can crop the video on the timeline. The second method. We can manually enter the start time and end time. Here we can also adjust the speed of GIF, the number of loops and the size of the image. Here we can choose where to export the video files. Click Start. We open the output file. GIF animation has been completed. Thank you all.